If you are a beginner, student, developer, or even just curious about AI, then the Machine Learning Crash Course by Google is one of the best starting points. It's a free, self paced course with around 15 hours of content designed to teach the world machine learning concepts using videos, exercises, and hands on practice. I'll show you, and the best part is it is free and self paced, as I said. So, what you will learn, there is a prerequisite that you should know a few things. Like prerequisites are algebra, some info about linear algebra, trigonometry, statistics, calculus, which is optional, not a problem. And what you're gonna learn is basics of machine learning and AI, and linear regression and classification, neural networks and deep learning, data handling and overfitting, and real world ML systems and concepts. So, what you can do is you can simply click on Start Crash Course. I'll mention the link in the description, and you just need to open this, and from here, you can start it. So you just need to check at the left hand side, you will find what exactly it is: interactive exercise, gradient descent. So you need to check, you need to read, and it is self paced, as you know, and you can try that. Do let me know in the comment section whether you have tried this. Is it beneficial? And if this tutorial is helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.